Welcome back to another video. Another video. Yeah, so I got the opportunity to go to Guangzhou during the holidays, and today I'm taking you to one of the largest and the most impressive shopping malls here in Guangzhou, China. This was recommended to me by a friend. This mall has indeed been hyped. Yeah, so I'm going there to take a look and then judge by myself. So I got into a cab. I think there is a festival going on, some kind of event, which I don't know. So there are a lot of decorations here and there. We will get to the shopping mall momentarily. And outside of the shopping mall, they are having some kind of an exhibition. So people are selling food, drinks, and some artifact, handmade stuff here and there. So after riding for 24 minutes, I finally got to the Grandview Mall. So this is the mall. Trust me, this is going to be fun. You can find literally anything here. Before I got here, I had to research or view some YouTube videos about the specific mall to understand why there's so much hype. Now I understand. I can see the luxury fashion brand to some amazing restaurants, entertainment spot. This mall feels like a city inside a building. So let's go together to check this out. As you can see, I'm currently inside the mall. The American and the Chinese brands are all representing here. It has multiple floors. The mall itself is very spacious, and then each level is packed with different types of stores. What really stands out here is the mix of Chinese brands and the international luxury brands. Whether you're looking for high-end fashion, electronics, cosmetics, or anything that you use every day, you would definitely find it here. And most people say that stuff or items sold in the mall are actually overhyped, and I can understand because the space itself is money. So why not increase the prices of these luxury brands? Many popular brands from around the world have stores inside this mall, which makes it a very popular place for international visitors to also come here. This section that I am on, I think I should be on the 4th floor. The mall has about 12 floors, and each floor has a specific item that you can find. So if you go to one floor, you're going to see luxury brands for fashion. You're going to see hair. Another floor, you're going to see entertainment. Another floor, you're going to see restaurants and whatnot. One thing I really love about the China malls here is that they are not just for shopping. I love the fact that they have integrated the entertainment hubs. Yeah, and that's me. I'm just enjoying this place right now. It's not like the usual malls that I see here in China. They really took their time to design this place. The decorations, I can only imagine the amount of money that went into putting this place up. And I think when they were doing this, they really considered kids and people literally coming here to have fun, hang out with their friends, reconnect, having meetings. It is a place that is serene and noisy depending on the floor that you are on. But this place was really created with a lot of thought and a lot of resources, literally. Yeah, so I finally got to the place where you can see all the... they have a name that they give to those superhero stuff. So this is more like a cyber area. You have the opportunity to view people skating. There's a snow area bowl. There's where you can play this kind of games here. I literally do not know the name here, but it's a lot of cyber stuff around this particular floor. So very shortly, I moved from here. I understand there's a horror house in this building. I have never entered a horror house before. I only watched them in movies, and I can only imagine how it is in real life. So let's go grab a ticket. The ticket is 30 RMB, but if you want to stay longer, they have sections, so you pay to extend to watch. So I decided to pay for 2 tickets because I wanted to watch or experience the full horror house, not like halfway. So it was about time to enter, and oh my god, this is not a place for the weak. Can you imagine? Guys, do you think you're gonna spend this much money to be in a horror house? My heart literally dropped from my body down below. Like every scream, every second, every step that you take, there is something horror to shout about. The place is literally horrific. If you are scared of anything, this is not a place for you. But I mean, just for the experience, I decided to come and experience this part. I got to a part where I was like, no, I need to stop recording, because if I continue recording, I might drop my phone. And this is not what I plan to do, because I need to capture every moment and every thing here in this mall. So I decided to put my phone aside and then experience it properly. Then after 30 minutes, I came up from the horror house and decided to experience or explore the rest of the mall. This game right here is a scam. You would literally empty your pocket trying to catch or grab these toys. I think that is how the system is. And then I got to this beautiful section. This should probably be on the 6th floor, where we find all the animals. And I am fascinated about this because they really represented Africa here. Most of the animals you see are like African breeds. You could find all the African breeds here, so I'm just gonna keep quiet and allow you to enjoy this special part, because it's special to me as well. One thing I really love about malls in China is the fact that they are not just for shopping, they're actually entertainment hubs, like sightseeing and whatnot. You'll find tons of restaurants, cafes, dessert shops, and even entertainment areas where families and friends can actually sit and relax. You could easily spend like an entire day here just eating and exploring and enjoying the atmosphere. What makes this special is not just its size, I mean the mall, but how diverse it is. It combines luxury shopping, entertainment, dining, leisure, sightseeing. This is a place that is always busy, and now you understand why it is usually busy. And every day you see locals here tripping here and there, and a few tourists. But you wonder why the locals keep coming here every day, because this is in their city. Why do they come here every day? It is because of what they experience and what they see here. The fact that they can sit and relax and have fun with their family instead of staying home. You know, home can be boring sometimes. Yes. So I like the fact that the locals and the tourists can actually come here to relax. So this is a quick tour of the Grand Mall in Guangzhou. As you can see, it's huge, it's modern, and it's full of amazing stores. If you enjoy this video and you want to see more real life experiences in China, make sure you like and subscribe and follow this channel. I'll be posting more videos exploring different places here in China, not only in Guangzhou, but in China at large. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Now, don't go just right now, because I plan to go to the cinema to watch a movie. Checking the time, I am 13 minutes late to watch the movie. These are let's say the superheroes in the Marvel studios. So let me rush right now to see if I can watch the video that the movie that I chose. So come with me, let's go right now. Don't leave just yet. Yes, quick. I'm hoping the movie hasn't started just yet, because I am 16 minutes late. Who does that? I think I was enjoying the tour and everything, and I lost track of time. Yeah, so I am here. I cannot believe no one is here, but they've already started the movie. Wow. Let me quickly grab my seat and then enjoy this movie before I go back to my hotel room. So let's grab a seat and enjoy the movie for what, 1 hour 59 minutes. Yeah, 1 hour 59 minutes. I hope we all enjoy this. Thank you for watching.